Hello, everyone, and I know what some of you might be thinking. Why is this video so long if it's only a 90-second treatment? But it works very well, and
That's a fair question to ask, but we have to teach you how to do it and demonstrate it, so it's going to take like 5 minutes or so.
maybe 4.
3.
Okay. Whatever, you'll find out. It's going to work well. So this simple technique has been around since the 1950s from the Jones Institute.
And it is known as strain, counterstrain, or it's also known as a positional release.
That's right. So this low back technique is very simple, but you must follow the sequence appropriately as we show it.
So pay attention carefully.
All right, again, so you're experiencing low back pain here. It may be left side dominant or right side dominant or all the way across. The treatment is the same. You're going to lie down on a bed. If it's a firm bed is more preferable. Actually down on carpeted floor, assuming you can get down carefully without irritating your back symptoms. Even on a bed, you're going to watch me get down slow, lift up one leg, keeping my back in a comfortable neutral position, and I'm going to get down in a position prone, as you can see, lying on your stomach. And once you get here, you monitor your back pain. Okay, if for some reason your back is uncomfortable lying flat, you may have to put a pillow underneath your abdominal or hip area to elevate, and oftentimes that will let the pain come down. And just relax her for a bit. Hopefully after 30 seconds or so, you can take the pillow out and then go to this position at that point. If the pillow coming out is uncomfortable, keep it there and then proceed as we're going to show you. If I started at a 5/10, 10 being the worst, 0 being no pain, and I get to this position and it's down to about a 3, that's good. All right.
So if you're feeling good and your pain is going down like Brad said, what you want to start doing is to get your lower back muscles, say it's his left side, on slack. So that means you're going to go into extension like I am right now. So Brad is going to grab a pillow and hug it if this position is comfortable. Some people might be further towards the mat, some people might be up more. So what this is doing is putting his back muscles here on slack, giving him some release from the tension. Now if he wants to put more slack on this left side, he can either bring his left leg forward into a roadkill position, we like to call this, putting more slack on these muscles. He could also try shifting his hips more to the right, and this will also put your left lower back on more slack. The whole idea is to get in this position and try to hold it for at least 90 seconds, or you can go up to 120 seconds, just getting it to be nice and relaxed.
I do want to mention, right? Once you get to this position and you get your pillow here, and you say the pain is already to 0, then there's no need to start shifting around. The idea is, that's why it's called positional release. You want to find the position of most comfort, and it may be here already. Do some shifting if it's not. And then, like Mike said, it's absolutely critical you go for 90 seconds. You literally have to time it. And just lay there completely relaxed for 90 up to 120 seconds. When you're done with that time, then the whole goal is to get up from that position slowly. There's nothing to be rushed about. You want to take your time, get out of bed or off the floor, trying to keep your back relaxed and straight in that neutral position. And then you do not go into any activities. It's going to feel better, but you're going to take it easy for the next couple hours. In other words, you're not going to go for a jog or go do some gardening. You're going to relax, eat some supper, or whatever it may be. If you have success.
Success.
Thank you, Mike. Do this 2 to 3 times per day, and you'll find that you'll be doing it less and less, and things will fall right into place. It is absolutely a delightful treatment because it's so simple and it works.
So that was more than 90 seconds, obviously, but we hope you enjoyed the video. And what else are they supposed to do, Brad?
Well, you can do a little self-massage like this, which feels good, but other than that, I want you to be pain-free.
Be happy.
Be relaxed.
Hey. I combined 2 words there. Be gone. Okay, bye.